First, let's open Excel. I have a sample sales data set here. It is huge with over 500 rows. It has columns for date, product, region, units sold, revenue, profit margins. Before AI can help us, we need to do one thing. Convert this data into an Excel table. Select your data, press Ctrl T and hit OK. This is important. Copilot works best with formatted tables. Generate your first chart with AI. Now, look up here in the ribbon. You'll see the Copilot button. If you don't see it, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription. Click it to open the Copilot panel on the right. Now the magic starts. In the Copilot chat box, I'll type, "Show me total revenue by region as a bar chart." And just like that, Copilot analyzes our data and generates a chart. Watch how it picks the right columns automatically. Let me try another one. I'll type, "Create a line chart showing monthly sales trends." Done. You can keep asking, and Copilot will give you a written insight, not just a chart. Build a full dashboard. Now, here's the most important part of this video. Let's build a real dashboard. So first, we'll create a new sheet and call it dashboard. Now, we'll go back to Copilot and type, "Summarize this data with key metrics and charts for a sales dashboard. Also include slices so users can filter around the dashboard." Now, Copilot will do the magic. You have to just wait, and a magical dashboard would be created in seconds. Me personally, I find dashboards extremely complicated and sophisticated, but AI will prepare it in seconds. Amazing, right? This is unbelievable. You can see we have key performance metrics with the total orders, revenue, profit, margins, the revenue by region, revenue by category, performances. We have charts. We have the top sales representatives, the top products by revenue. We have all sort of bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and a slicer with which we can play around. This is magic. I'm sure you guys will love it. Right. So you've built this beautiful dashboard. Now what? Let me show you two things you can do with it right now. First, sharing. You can go to File, go to Share, and Share Workbook. You can invite teammates by email and they can view or edit live. No need to send attachments back and forth. If you're on Teams, you can even co-edit in real time. Second, exporting as PDF. Go to File, click on Export, create PDF. This locks your dashboard into a clean, printable format, perfect for sending to a manager or client. And a pro tip, before exporting, set your print area to just the dashboard sheet so you don't accidentally export all 500 rows of raw data. Power tips and best prompts. Now, let me share the best prompts that actually work. First, highlight the top 5 rows by revenue, so Copilot adds conditional formatting automatically. Second, show me which region is underperforming. It gives you an AI written analysis. And if you want to change a chart, you could write, "Change the bar chart to a donut chart." You can also ask, "What trends do you notice in this data?" And Copilot will write a paragraph of business insights. This is basically having a data analyst sitting next to you. And that's it. From raw data to a fully interactive dashboard using nothing but plain English prompts. No VBA, no complex formulas, just AI doing the heavy lifting. If you want the exact sample dataset I used today, the download link is in the description. And if this saved you time, drop a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more such tutorials, subscribe because I post daily. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.